I came across a mail yesterday that someone in South India is using my screenshots and thumbnail to his Telegram channel named as Prometric Exam Preparation. I'm blessed enough that someone informed me with evidence. And yes, I have gifted him free pocketbook for informing me, and I'm grateful for these kind of loyal people. The person who may be one of my client is illegally using my material and using them to promote his own marketing. Not to mention, this person is also engaged in illegal activities by taking screenshots of my clients and showing them off as his own. Despite my name in various places, this person has the audacity to fake reviews, thumbnails on his own Telegram channel, deceiving people. It is important to expose such individuals and protect yourself and others from them. Please protect yourself and others from such fraudulent individuals. Few months ago, there was probably a similar person who had engaged in such activities on Instagram, but the channel were blocked after being reported. Now, I need your help to protect others from these frauds. I'm providing the link to this Telegram channel in description box. Please report it and share this video as much as possible so that this person can be exposed and further no one can be deceived by him. I've provided the necessary details and instructions for reporting this person. Additionally, I've shown how to report him. Please share this video on your social media platforms as much as possible. I have always been loyal to my profession and clients, and I provide my material at a very reasonable price. Now, this is the time for you to support me. Lastly, I would like to inform you all that I only have one YouTube channel, one Instagram channel, and one Facebook page. Please, if anyone of you feels that someone is sharing my screenshots for their own marketing purpose and scamming people, then please inform me immediately at that time. Thank you for watching this video.